What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S Gamer here with another reaction. Well, go on, people. I'm not shooting anyone today. So today, guys, I'm gonna wear my hat today. I'm gonna send my ear to the footage. You know what I mean? Girl, I'm send me trim of up.
Nope.
Whatever. Anyway, today we are doing Digga D Toxic. This video dropped. I don't know when it dropped, but me just see it, come across it last night. So I said, let me do it today. Today is the day. Alright, let's go. Me have X Factor, I can sing, guys. I can sing. So if you don't like it, you know what I mean? But yeah, we're here. We're pausing every 10 seconds. Big up all the new subscribers. Then you know what you know the drill already. That's why you're here. You know it because we're breaking down. So let's jump straight into it. Let's go. Digga D, man.
Yo, what's going on?
It's hard. Hey.
No one, man.
So he's chilling with a girl. Him get a next call from somebody else, a different girl that look like I'm main chick, but one girl a bit. I don't know if I'm main chick, but one girl a bit behind him. I touch my shoulder and thing.
Who are you with?
No one, I promise.
Yeah, you're with girls.
No, I'm not, man.
You're so toxic.
You're so toxic. Boop! Hang up on him bumper clutch. So you're so toxic. The video's called Toxic. Oh, ironic. Digga D, big up.
Trends.
Enough girl in your video, no dog. Video full of girl in no dog. This is my type of thing in no dog. Why me can't be in one of these videos? I want to be in one of these videos, guys. I just want to be in just one of them. Just one. Look at him face, though. Look at him face. Look at him. Look at the boss face.
Look, yo.
Me can't stop looking for the girls. Look at the girl. Me can't stop looking for the girl, them dog. They got this. Sorry to cut it there, but sorry, dog. But me have to.
You get it? Cause I don't. Would you hit it? Cause I won't. Holy per gal on my iPhone influencers that wanna suck my bone.
You get it? Cause I don't. Man say, holy per gal on him iPhone. Just want to suck him bone. Him bone I'm wood. We know that. Let's go.
I do it for all of the niggas that DM these bitches and get left on red. This blue tick make it easy to hit, but more time I just get head.
I do it for all of the niggas them slide na the girl them DM and just left unread. Just leave it unread. The girl them just ignore you. But the girl them want star, the girl them want superstar. Him have blue tick, so it's easy for him to get the girl them. Sometimes him say him they even bang them, him just get head and just cut. You see me? Yeah, that is life of a star. We average guys down here, we don't have no blue tick, so we have to just take our chances, and if we get it, we get it. If we don't get it, move along. Let's go.
She wasn't there when I was in jail. She never sent me no mail. More time as footballer did that she taking, but she loved the rappers as well.
Them girl, basically, he must say the girls them. I'm not saying this, guys. Basically, he must say the girl them there for the rich man them, the rich lifestyle. Either the footballer or the rapper them. She wasn't there when I was in jail. She never there when I was down. Now I'm up. Again, them gyal want lep on the end of the. Let's go. You know what I mean.
I butter and tape, I butter and pong. If only you knew what these models were on. Yeah. The second that man got recalled, all of these models was gone.
The second him get recalled to prison, all of them madly move on to the next one, move on to somebody else. So basically, these models are in it. These girls are in it just for the moment. When you're up, when you're down, you're gone. Take notes, guys. Take notes. Money over. Let's go.
She at my table leeching, taking snaps and trying to get me in. About 1942, your chest too high, is that how you're feeling?
So when I out at the club, she come on my table and I try to take snap and I try to get me in it. Cause you don't know me a star. That's what Digga say. So these girls are out here basically cloud chasing. Like that. This is what Digga's saying. I don't want the girls here to really to pre me to say, yo, I'm talking bad about girls, because I'm not. This is what Digga is saying. I'm just breaking it down, guys. Chill.
Won't get more than a magnum, and a magnum for this beating. Ask if me and Shaw speaking, it don't make sense, cause you're still on cheating.
Oh my gosh. Them girls are not gonna get more than a magnum. Nothing else than a magnum. That is all you're getting. A magnum. You're getting a magnum for the beating. You ask if me and my girl are talk. Yeah, yes, we are talking, but you not care. What you ask that for? You're still up on it. You're still on cheating. So it doesn't matter what you ask that for. If me and my girl is together or not, it doesn't matter to you because you're still on giving me the pums. That is what he's saying, not me. Let's go.
She said that she see me on UK gossip, cool. We established I'm toxic. Yeah. But back to the topic. I know you still wanna slop it.
You see me on UK gossip. I'm not following that site. I should check it out. You see me on UK gossip. Yes, you know semi toxic. Him admit same toxic. You see me? Him admit same. But you know, they no mind. Them still want knock it. Them still want beat it. Yo.
Shea Bar ain't helping shit, but I bet you a jib that I'm still gonna chop it. She said I should cut all my bachelor ways cause I'm adding the case to my car, I should stop it. She said
cut rich bachelor ways. Brother, live your life. One life you have. You're young, rich, have money and fame, brother. Live your life. Now listen to these girls. Like I just said, once you go to prison, or get recall or meet downfall, them girls are gone,
she see me on UK gossip, cool. We established I'm toxic. But back to the topic. I know you still wanna slop it. The Shea Bar ain't helping shit, but I bet you a jib that I'm still.
I bet you a jib that I'm still gonna chop it. A jib. What is a jib? What is a jib? What is a jib? Leave a jib. Leave a jib down in the comments.
I should cut all my bachelor ways cause I'm adding the case to my car, I should stop it. Before I get used by a bitch, I'd rather wet my dick.
What is the guy in the back of the car doing? He's taking notes. What? Can somebody tell me what he's doing around there? He's in the back of the car. Digga D in the front. To do the do with the girl, and him at the back I take notes. What the fuck is he taking notes for?
I ain't going out wrong for a trick. No. I'd rather go brothel and hit.
Watch. You see? And some girl actually like when them ear get pulled, and that is what Digga D is pulling her ear. But this guy at the back, what is he doing? I'ma take notes.
I'm a dog and what? Yeah. You go to buy and start dick your foot. Oh. But I ain't got a problem with that. No. I love fox with a fuck with a yak.
Yo, basically, him admit say he's a dog. But remember said dog love bone. Dog love bone. You see me? Yeah. So if man are the dog, woman are the bone. You see me? Watch her, she just do her nastiness and wipe off her face. Watch her. Move along.
This little bitch says she want me a wag. She getting fucked in the back of the wag. She see man counting bands. I want ask bad man for a bag.
This little bitch get fucking in the back of the wagon. So she see man account money out in the back of the wagon. And she want ask bad man for a bag. Not gonna happen. That not gonna happen. Bag is £1,000, right?
Want ask Batman for a purse. Want ask Batman for some shoes.
Oh, not that type of bag. Not that type of bag. Like bag as in handbag. Okay, so she want ask Batman for purse and shoes.
Want ask Batman to eat cooch, but that's not what Batman do.
Shit! Want ask Batman for yam front? Nah! Negative. Now depend that with the girl. Go one side with that girl. Suck off which toe. Put it back in your socks, girl.
And she don't got only man. Nope. She only got only fans. Oh. She wanna wear rollies and Cartier bracelets, but fam.
Him just left on the side of the road like that. Even though she is what he said she is. The man really left her the road. The road said that is not nice, bro. That somehow no girl forget. You have the average Joe in front of you. Want you, need you, want there to treat you like a queen that you are, but no, you want the hype lifestyle. Hype lifestyle you want? Hype lifestyle you shall get.
Yeah. She don't wanna go work, she's worthless. Rather go on IG and get topless. The girl in today need to stop this, cause that behavior is just toxic.
She don't wanna go work. She don't wanna be independent and have her own money. No, but she would rather go up on IG with topless, forget the likes and the comments. Clout. The girls of today lose it. Them lose it. I'm sure your grandmother would be turning in her grave. Turning like a pancake. When you flip it, yeah, she'll be flipping in her grave. Jesus.
She said that she see me on UK gossip, cool. We established I'm toxic. But back to the topic, I know you still wanna slop it.
If you notice a be a light skinned girl in the video. No black girl in the video. Be a light skinned girl in the video. But I'm still curious, what is this guy doing? What is he doing? I'm still curious.
The shea bar ain't helping shit, but I bet you a jib that I'm still gonna chop it. She said I should cut all my bachelor ways cause I'm adding the case that I can't, should stop it. She said that
So him just a while ago. Him just get up from off of the bed and just gone to the bathroom a while ago. What I'm gonna do? Like, I'm gonna hide from them.
She see me on UK gossip, cool. We established I'm toxic. But back to the topic, I know you still wanna slop it.
Wait. So this guy now ganja and the girls them now, he was just taking notes, right?
The shea bar ain't helping shit, but I bet you a jib that I'm still gonna chop it. She said I should cut all my bachelor ways cause I'm adding the case that I can't, should stop it.
What you mean? Want in for the fun? So basically, the boss just swap places with Digga D and him there with the girl them. No, I think that is Digga D chain is wearing also. What you mean, youth? What you mean? What you mean, youth? What you mean? I take some of my girl them too. You don't know. If Digga D say, yo, hey girl, run some touch pan the man. Cause Digga D a star and them girl want the star life and they want as much as they want the bag and the shoes and the clothes and whatever the clothes. Them are gonna run it. You see me?
I'll trins.
No, Digga D, no, you don't do that, don't do that, bro. What am I do, Digga D? What am I do, Digga D? The boss a live, the boss is living. The boss a live, dog. What you mean? Live. Girl, them skin clean though. Groundworks production, big up yourself. Yo, big up Digga D, you know that. Big up Digga D them. If me offend any girls in this video, I'm sorry, I'm just breaking down what Digga D is saying. And not my fault. Not my fault. Big up the young artists and that keep reaching out. Big up on yourself. We can do business, of course we can. We're here. Alright, so guys, this is where I'm gonna end that video. Follow my social, my Instagram, my Twitch. Also guys, please jump on my Twitch, just hit follow. Even if you're not a gamer or you're not into gaming, just hit the Twitch. I do a lot of role playing about the GTA role play. Imagine a Jamaican doing GTA role play. Yeah, just hit the link in the description for the Twitch. Follow the Twitch, guys. Just give me some love over there. So guys, I will see you guys in the next one, alright?